Hey everybody, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your bangs aren't loading and you're kind of like low in time on Dress to Impress. So what I like to do is I like to just use bangs from the hairstyles if these aren't loading. So go to like a hairstyle that has just bangs, for instance this one, then select bangs only and just color it the same color as your hair. Just like the one that you think works the best. For instance this one also just has the only bangs toggle. There's also a bunch on the code section, the code items that you can use for just the bangs here. So here under like codes or the currency items, like for instance this one, they actually just have like an only bangs option that you can choose. Just color it the same as your hair. They also have this magical girl set where you can just do only bangs here. I know it looks weird with this kind of hair, but as you can see, you can just select the bangs if your bangs aren't loading on Dress to Impress. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.